Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you? In case you forgot, I'm Orla.
And I'm Tarek, and we're Cucina Del Sul.
And welcome to this amazing episode, which is a bit different this time.
So today, in our background, obviously you don't see our cucina.
But we're having a full-on takeover of Zahra's kitchen in her home, in her kitchen, and it's gonna be epic.
We're hungry.
Hello! How are you?
Welcome to our casa.
So guys, I want to introduce you. This is Zahra and Sam. We're so happy to be here.
And we're gonna make Samir cook today.
Yes, we're gonna be cooking with us.
Hi, my name is Zahra from Cooking with Zahra. I started vlogging nearly 10 years ago, but I've always considered myself a feeder, and this is something that I've been doing for a whole lifetime. My food is traditional and modern interpretations of Middle Eastern cuisine. It's my way of sharing experiences with my friends and family and you guys as well, to experience the traditions that I grew up with in a new and fun and creative way. I'm going to be cutting some noon barbari, pile it on with some nice white cheese, some mixed herbs, some kuku sabzi.
We're doing a Persian yogurt based dip. Okay, usually it's done with spinach, but with Zahra's twist on it, we've done roasted, finely grated beetroot. So you can imagine how yummy this is gonna look. We're adding to the beetroot some labneh and yogurt, honey, pomegranate molasses or rib rumman بالعربي. Of course, شوية بهارات, ملح وبهار, and dried mint. And what we have to do with the mint so that it's really nicely finely grated, you put it on the palm of your hand. Basically, you grind it like this. Oh my God, yum. Guests are starting to come, and we've got Tarek doing meatballs, okay? We've got here Chang and Kate from 1004 Gourmet. This amazing Korean heaven place, basically. Like you'd want to go there. And we've got Sachiko and Wakami from Tavola. You guys,
It's her favorite shop.
yes, and it's my favorite shop too. And this is the cherry station. We're going to start pinning cherries. You push it in. You push it. Oh, look at that. See? This is so cool. Okay, so that goes in. This goes here. So this is the walnuts too. Ooh, Zahra, tell us now what's happened to the consistency of...
It's starting to reduce, and when this happens, the walnut will start to thicken on the bottom. So it's always important
to scrape the bottom, yeah?
And you see this beautiful oil that's on the top? This is because we have left the lid off, we haven't overboiled, and we've gently stirred.
Amazing. And how far are we along now?
We need a couple more hours.
Couple more hours. Oh my God, okay.
I'm just moving the cherries because I don't want it to disintegrate.
The colors is like perfect.
You see, I've realized that this color can only be achieved with small batches.
The small batches?
Yeah. هلا هعليها شوي and I'll just let it reduce.
If your recipe has onion and you're grating the onion, keep the water, and instead of, because with kibbe and all of that, you can... How smart. This is what gives the extra flavor. That's why Zahra is Zahra. Okay, honestly.
So this is the sour cherry jam. This needs to cook for another 20 minutes. And after that, we're going to strain it. And then we're going to turn it into jam.
parsley and pomegranate salad. This is a take on Persian flavors but with a modern twist. This is the beetroot borani, which is the Persian yogurt
That
dip
I did today.
that Orla did. This is mast khiyar, which is basically leban khiyar, but we
Yes.
add cranberries and pecans to it.
Yummy, okay.
This is shirin polo, which is orange peel, almond slivers, pistachio
Pistachios.
slivers, and then I've mixed in the barberry, which is the
Yummy.
zereshk. And this is served with the saffron chicken. So these two complement each other. And this is fesenjoon, which is a very deep, rich, slow-cooked beauty. And it's made with meatballs and served with plain white rice. And this is our hero ingredients, the cherries in a rice and meatball dish. So this is a chocolate miso cake that was made by my friend Haya, also known as Pass Me the Dim Sum on Instagram. And so we love this cake because it has a really nice balance of flavors with the miso and the chocolate, and then it complements really well with the sour cherry jam that I made.